Yo, yo, what is going on, guys? It's Godfall23 here. Now, today I'm going to be talking about... Now, I've been talking about my PC and things like that, but today I'm going to show you some websites for you guys to buy parts off if you're thinking about building a PC yourself. I would personally build your own PC because it's better in the long run. You know how to change things and everything, so I would do that. Before I start, I just want to give a shout out to SillyBilly18. Thank you for supporting my videos, and guys, I'll give shout outs to anyone. Just give some support and some love. Alright, so as you can see here, we've got PC Case Gear. They do a broader range of things. They sell everything from motherboards to CPUs to cooling to cases to fans to gaming chairs to peripherals, graphics cards, hard drives, SSDs, motherboards, monitors, moddings like LED lighting, tools and screws. Always very handy, but generally you don't really need that stuff if you have a couple of screwdrivers and shit laying around. Couple of screwdrivers and things laying around. It's good enough, but you know, some things that you may not have at home, buy here. Speakers, sound cards, systems, tools and screws, video capture cards, everything. And you got PLE computers. I've ordered something off here before. Pretty good website. Sorry if I sound like that. I don't know why my throat's being a douche. Again, everything like PLE, like PC Case Gear. Some things are cheaper on this website than they are on PC Case Gear, but then you've got to price match and see which one works better for you and everything. You've also got Scorptech computers. I'm actually ordering my graphics card and my new case of them in the next couple of... Maybe not the graphics card. Sorry guys. But definitely the case. I'm ordering the case in the next... I want to say... couple of days, and if I can, awesome. So I'll just show you it now. Hang on, cases, ATX. Now this is a Thermaltake. Yeah, it's a Thermaltake case. I've looked at the specs and everything, and especially for where I live in Australia, in summer this thing is gonna kick. Because it has so much space for cooling fans and everything. Like my PC case, it only holds 2 fans and the CPU cooler, so it's not very good. So when I get this thing, I'm selling this thing. When I get this Thermaltake case, I'm selling my computer case on like Facebook or something. So yeah. It just has great cooling. You can stick your CPU cooler up there, so I can stick my CPU cooler in there. 2 fans here, 1 fan here. Exceptional cooling throughout the whole thing. Beautiful run, and the case doesn't look too bad. Look at the side window on the thing. It's a bigger side window than my PC. But yeah, also I wanted to give a shout out to the boys that live in like America and Canada and things like that. I play with them online, so I wanted to give a shout out to Trevor, Eric, Brandon, Peter, and Zed. You guys are awesome. You guys support me. We play online together. You guys are sick online players. And I'm actually playing online very soon, in about half an hour, with Brandon, and he's in the army, and he's just a mad guy. So is Peter and Trevor. Zed, I like him. I've never played online with him, so I don't really know much about him. But I know about like Peter and Eric and stuff like that because I play online with them. I haven't been lately, but I have played online with them heaps of times, and they're just good blokes all around. So, yeah. So shout out to Silly Billy 18, the boys, and just you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for viewing my videos. And yeah, so if you like this video, smash that like button. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, because there's going to be a whole lot more content coming to my videos. I'm going to be doing PC building. I'm going to be doing just game vlogs and everything. So yeah, look forward to that. So subscribe if you're new, hit that like button if you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one.